Building a profitable blog starts with selecting the right niche, one that balances your expertise with audience demand. Popular categories like personal finance, tech reviews, health, and DIY crafts attract consistent traffic, but micro-niches, e.g., vegan keto recipes, or budget smart home automation, often face less competition. Once you've chosen your focus, register a domain name that's memorable and aligns with your topic. Platforms like WordPress.org paired with affordable hosting, SiteGround or Bluehost, give you full control for under $50 per year. Your blog's design should prioritize readability. Use clean layouts, fast loading themes, and mobile optimization. Google ranks these factors higher in search results. Content quality determines your ad revenue potential. Publish in-depth, well-researched articles, 1,500 plus words, that solve specific problems. For example, instead of best running shoes, target best cushioned running shoes for flat feet in 2024 to rank for long-tail keywords. Use free tools like Google Keyword Planner or Ubersuggest to find low competition, high search volume terms. Structure posts with short paragraphs, subheadings, and bullet points for skimmability. This reduces bounce rates and increases ad impressions. Internal linking, connecting your own related articles, boosts page views per visitor, while external links to authoritative sources improve SEO credibility. Monetization begins with Google AdSense, which accepts most new blogs. Place ads strategically. Header banners, within content, after the first paragraph, and sticky sidebar units perform best without annoying readers. Once you hit 50,000 plus monthly page views, upgrade to premium ad networks like Mediavine or AdThrive, which offer higher CPMs, often $15–40 versus AdSense's $2–10. These networks use AI to optimize ad placement and frequency, maximizing revenue without sacrificing user experience. Diversify beyond display ads to stabilize income. Affiliate marketing, e.g., linking to Amazon products or SaaS tools, earns commissions for referrals. Disclose these partnerships to comply with FTC guidelines. Create digital products, e-books, templates, or offer services, consulting, freelance writing, to leverage your expertise. Sponsored posts from brands pay $200–$2,000 per article, but require maintaining editorial integrity. Only partner with relevant companies. Traffic growth hinges on SEO and promotion. Submit your sitemap to Google Search Console for faster indexing. Share posts on Pinterest, a major referral source for blogs, with vertical graphics and keyword-rich descriptions. Repurpose content into Twitter threads or LinkedIn articles to reach professional audiences. Email marketing converts casual readers into repeat visitors. Offer a free checklist or mini-course in exchange for subscriptions, then send weekly newsletters with your latest posts. Analyze your data monthly. Track which posts earn the highest RPM, revenue per 1,000 visitors, and produce more on those topics. Tools like Google Analytics reveal user behavior. If visitors from organic search spend 3+ minutes on a post, Google will rank it higher, creating a virtuous cycle. Update old posts annually. Refreshing statistics and adding current examples can revive traffic to older content. Patience is key. Most blogs take 6–12 months to gain traction. But with consistent, valuable content and smart monetization tactics, a blog can eventually generate full-time income. The top 10% of bloggers earn over $50,000 annually. By focusing on audience needs first, revenue follows naturally.